In this video, I will show you how you can turn off the camera shutter sound on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to turn off the camera shutter sound on your Samsung phone, then for that, just go to your home screen and press the volume down or volume up button and open the volume slider. Now just tap on the three dots in the volume slider. Now after you do that, you will open the volume settings. And from here, just turn off the system volume. After you do that, now if you go back to the camera app, you will notice that the shutter sound has been disabled. Now this method works, but it is not really convenient. Now if you want to automate this action, meaning that as you open the camera app, the system volume will automatically go down, and as you leave the camera app, the system volume will automatically turn on. Now to create this automation, just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on modes and routines. Now under the mode section, just scroll down and tap on add mode. Now from here, just enter a name for the mode which we are creating. For example, I will name it shutter sound. After you do that, then just scroll down and select any icon for this mode. For example, I will select this icon, and also you can select a color for this mode. For example, I will select this color. After you do that, then just tap on done, and from here just tap on turn on automatically. Tap on open app, and from this list just look for the camera app. Now just tap on it and select done. Now after you select the camera app, then just tap on done, and from here just scroll down and select other action. Now on this page just scroll down and tap on sound mode and volume, and from here just set the system sound all the way to 0%. After you do that, then just tap on done and select done. Now what will basically happen that as we open the camera app, the system volume will be set to 0%. As you can see, if I go to the home screen and if I open the volume slider, as you can see, I will set the system volume all the way to 100%. Now if I open the camera app, the shutter sound will be disabled because we have created a shortcut or a mode in which as we open the camera app, the system sound will be set to 0%. As you can see, if I open the control center, the shutter sound shortcut is currently turned on. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the control center, as you can see, the shutter sound shortcut has been turned off and the system sound is set to 100%. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.